many fake story now in they travel up and down from the opposition party for we state here, the People's Democratic Party, PDP. Unto say the Central Hospital Complex, the one with the Benin City for we state here, they say they empty and nothing they inside. They also they talk many things, say na so lizard and rat na in Fulham, and this one they bring many katakata and many matter between people where be say they come they ask many questions, say this thing are true or not lie.
This is the detector that enables the tube to get the image. This will actually generate an image for you to be displayed on the monitor. So this is actually being slotted in here. Okay, so you move this inside, and then this young man is being positioned for an X-ray. Okay, so it depends the one you want. You can actually do a chest X-ray here. You can actually do a table, whichever one they ask you to do. So this machine can also do a chest X-ray, whichever procedure the doctor wants. So now we're about to take that image now. So at this position, all the patient population is asked to go outside because you need to take a radiation. This bed is padded, so this is actually a special bed for burns patients. Okay, we have a ground floor, first floor, second floor, and third floor, all for burns patients. So the same bed that we have here, the same bed that we have upstairs. So this bed also have the same function like the other one, but in this case now, this also have. Let me power it on for you. No, finisher. Okay. So
these PDP leaders then they don't still talk say we former governor for we state here, then I come raise Adam Ali Yoshomole. They say in deceive with Bonga President Muhammadu Buhari, say may he come commission the Central Hospital Complex. No, we say the commission for 4th of November 26. And when they commissioned this Central Hospital Complex, Comrade Adam Ali Yoshomole, he tell President Muhammadu Buhari say, Baba, when they finish this complex, so it go be one of the best hospitals, the one where they will country. On top say people go find everything where they want on top health matter kind of for this hospital. And many pictures, many videos they back up all these things to make sure say una go know say this government where we get so no be noise making government.
This is mobile X-ray, but this is now the detector. This is the latest one from Philips. This one has a detector, and then there is a light sheet for the operator. So while he goes with this to protect himself too. This one is a light sheet, and then this place is a CT scan. While here is the console room for the operator. So I don't know. And again, the LED thing is also changing. Even the floor. Yes. So this is also autoclave and blood gas analyzer and a distiller. The blood gas analyzer is very soon I'll soon install it, but it's here already. Then you have 10 beds. Station. So we also equipped it with 10 kV UPS because of power interruption. So the machine is safe. The name of the machine is called mammography machine. Okay, for breast cancer. These are text lungs. Before you connect patient on that ventilator, you must do what they call a quality control. So we have a text lung here for the technician, the anesthetic. We can use this to travel a patient from Benin to Abuja with the mobile oxygen cylinder. So this can as well it has an inbuilt battery. You can use this transport a patient to any state, Irua or whatever. Okay, so that's why it's called transport ventilator. You can see that the circuit is already here. All these things you see there are the circuit. Okay, this is the one you put. Okay, depend on if the doctor was the patient is being intubated. So you open this place and then insert it you insert this to.
Many ogbonge equipment. Na in tanda gidigba na in boku put for Central Hospital Complex, the one wey dey Benin City here. No be rat dey there, no be rodent dey there. Better medical equipment wey be say e go make life dey easier and better the way oyinbo take dey talk am. Even when light no dey, ogbonge alternative supply, the one wey dey call generator, e standby gidigba. Wey be say no be say they go come dey say light no dey to take run one test or light no dey to take do anything. All these ones, as una dey look this video, una go dey see them. Na everything dey there. Equipment wey dey take dey do wetin oyinbo dey call chemotherapy, that na breast cancer. All this thing, the one wey oyinbo dey call mammograph, all those ones dey tanda gidigba put for there. Where doctor go sit put nko, where doctor go rest put nko, where patients go sit down. All the things wey they need to take treat patients. Now all these things na im boku put for the hospital. All this one na lie wey dey talk to take spoil the better work and the ogbonge work wey we government dey do. No doubt wey be say they call them the wake and see government because na ogbonge work na im dey do. But as una know, na to spoil wetin person dey do, because when some people dey cook, some people wan throw away the soup for fire. Na so the matter take be. So this one na to make una wey dey outside know say this one no be say talky. As una dey look the video, make una shine una eye well. Make una take look am with 2 eyes. Make una come know who dey lie for the matter. Central Hospital, na rat dey there, or na this equipment wey una dey look so, na im dey inside.